Hey, foodies! It's Rhea here, and today we're getting a taste of history, literally, because I'm starting this series at the Union Oyster House in Boston, Massachusetts. Can you believe it that this place opened in 1826? That's just 11 years after the War of 1812 ended. What is even more fantabulous is the fact that the building is about 100 years older than the restaurant itself. Phew! Stepping into this place is like stepping into a time machine. This place is not only the oldest continuously operating restaurant in America, but it also has stories as rich as its clam chowder. Picture this. It's the early 1800s, and the Revolutionary War is still fresh in people's minds. Boston is buzzing with trade, and oysters are the hottest thing in town. Fast forward nearly 200 years, and here I am, sitting in the same space where Daniel Webster used to order oysters by the dozen and wash them down with brandy. Clearly, Webster knew how to live. Meanwhile, RJ's off, planning her runway looks for Milan Fashion Week. RJ. That's cute. But can your fancy Italian villa serve oysters this fresh? I didn't think so. Now, this clam chowder, it's legendary. Have you never tried chowder from the Union Oyster House? Well, then you haven't really had clam chowder at all. And who am I to argue with? Nearly 2 centuries of culinary wisdom.
Oh, this is perfection. Creamy, hearty, and just the right hint of saltiness, like me on a bad day.
The raw oyster bar here is where the magic happens. And let's talk about their Boston baked beans. Yes, the ones that made Boston famous as Beantown.
They've been slow cooking those beauties the same way since the 1800s.
Fun fact, the Union Oyster House isn't just a restaurant, it's a piece of history, right on Boston's Freedom Trail.
The upstairs room, it's where future King of France, Louis Philippe, once taught French lessons while he was exiled. You could say this place is where food and history collide in the tastiest way possible. So what do you think? The Union Oyster House isn't just about incredible food, it's about stepping into history with every bite. Let me know in the comments if you've been here or if it's on your foodie bucket list. And RJ, if you're watching, enjoy Milan when you get there next month. I'll just be over here, cat walking my way through history. Cheers to that.